What we're going to do today is start or hopefully finish putting the oil pan and the oil pump back. And the oil pan is in two sections. There is the upper and the lower. This is what the Bentley talks about, the upper and the lower. And here is the upper section. Whoa, I shouldn't fall doing this. And there is no Bentley is specific about this. There is no gasket on the upper to the engine block flange. There is just the sealant. So what you're supposed to do is put sealant over here, a bead of sealant, and then put this guy on. So, so I guess you have to thread this through. So I'm going to do a trial. I'm just going to place it right now. Let's see if it all makes sense. And the oil pump goes on later, even though we actually pulled the oil pump out last for some strange reason. At any rate, I'm going to follow Bentley's instructions on putting it back. There are some locating dowels here. How it goes. I assume that some pushing will be required. I did clean the pan out the best I could. Let's see. Figure out how this pushes down. And then I'm going to put the sealant in. It says to install this within 5 minutes. I'm just going to make sure that I can put it back on and that I haven't missed anything. There is crud here, so maybe I should clean that out first. There is the previously applied sealant. So I'm going to just you see here, there's all the sealant which I'm going to take out now.